Hello everyone, welcome to again in this video. Let's start talking about how to score 50 out of 50 in descriptive mathematics, which is included in AAO paper. And let's discuss the strategies of how to tackle everything in minimal time. So let's get started with how how to score and how to score out of the most of the paper and with good accuracy and maintain a good mark. So how I scored in 100 and 100 in 98 in 100. So yeah, how to score. There are a few tips related to score better in descriptive examination of mathematics. The first step is write clean and describe things properly. If you do not write things clearly, you are juggling with mistakes and cutting, just not following anything properly and cutting down everything like this one. So you have to avoid these things. So particularly describe things properly. First of all, this is the main thing that you have to focus on. The second is that don't use shortcuts as you did in other competitive examination, because shortcut doesn't exist in any descriptive examination. It only allows in objective examination. So do not use any shortcut that you know shortcuts, but it don't it cannot be used in uh, any one day examination which requires descriptive uh, your ability. So the third is the calculation part should be in the right corner of every question. If you solving any equation like this, okay, this is the symbol. So the part you have to factorize this equation, and you are putting x equal to -1, this kind of value, x equal to -2 and something, +1. So you are putting this all right. So you have to write down this in the right corner of the paper, not here. So it just signifies your discipline about your strategies, how you write down things properly in the examination. So this is an important thing to notice here. And the fourth point is the use the property and theorem in solution should underscore or within in the bracket. If you are using any theorem or any properties of previous any kind of theorem or property, that you should mention it in the underscore or just highlight or just bold it out. That can be signifies your attention to the paper checker, that he allows you to good marks, to carry good marks. uh, he he catches your attention. So this is the thing that you have to remember to write it down the answers of this paper. This one is try to give proper reason for using a theorem or property, else you will lack attention of the paper checker. So if you do not use the right or the proper theorem, that you will just using your theorem, uh, you have to use the theorem A, but you are using the theorem B. The mistakes that you have taken, but these are similar, like in words these are similar, but you have to use the theorem A. Do not use theorem B. Is if it is in words it seems like similar, but don't use this, because they assume you to be the proper or the right one. They do not you to allow mistakes. To if you want to carry uh, good marks, full marks in descriptive examination, they allow you to use the right one uh, theorems or properties. Do not allow us to do mistakes. So this is the thing that we have to remember. So follow these tips and see how it impacts on you, how it improves your marks in this examination, and try to focus on the theory part as you can do. uh, like you have ample time so that you can focus on theory part, then go to the practice section. And after that, yeah, you can revise along with me. I will upload several videos along with the other core paper. So go to the next slide and see uh, how to tackle all these things in the minimal time, and how it have, like, each chapter have the name. First chapter is named the real numbers, and it provides us the introduction, which you can skip, because we have to uh, read things, and you have to analyze this thing in a very minimal time, and just go through it, not read that much deep, because we have less time. So yeah, Euclid's lemma. This Euclid's lemma you all know. The same as the remainder theorem, P equal to AQ plus B. Same as like remainder B. So yeah, you all know Euclid's division lemma. The fundamental theorems of arithmetic. Here are fundamental theorems. So revisiting irrational numbers. So what is the irrational number? Like root 2, root 3. These are irrational number. So they will ask you the question that how prove that the root 2, root 3, and so on, root 7 are irrational numbers. So these are some contradictory proofs. So you have to you have to evaluate, or you have to know how to contradict these assumptions. So they will check your ability to prove uh, mathematical assumptions. So yeah, this is the important thing, revisiting irrational numbers. So next is revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expansions. So decimal expansions is nothing but like you will get root like 0.67, and there is a bar, so it will occur in this way, root 0.67, 0.67. So yeah, this way. So you have to uh, convert this term, so on, so on. Okay, so you have to convert this term in a fraction, in a mode of fraction. So these are the things. There are theorems along with that. And summary is the must. You have to do it. Of like every chapter you will get the summary. So first do the summary, then go to the individual topics. That is important. In the summary they will mention the important topics. So first off, you have to check the summary. Then second one is polynomials. What is polynomial? We also know that, like a y equal to ax plus b, and y equal to so on, like quadratic equations, quadratic polynomial. These are the introduction here. Geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial. What are zeros of polynomial? So zeros of polynomial is nothing but zeros of any polynomial when y equal to 0. So zeros of any polynomial is 0, like y equal to 0, x plus b equal to 0. So for any linear polynomial, it is the value of x equal to minus b by a is the 0 of that polynomial. So this is not that much tough thing. You will go through once. You will grasp all things. The relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. Relationship between zeros and coefficients of polynomials. So what is that? So it is again like alpha beta. For quadratic equation, this minus b, right? These kind of things. Okay. The division algorithm, same as remainder theorem, easy thing. So a pair of linear equations have to be like, yeah, this is the thing that you have to focus right now. Okay, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. What does it provide? It provides us the unique solution of uh, any uh, any linear equations. Okay, when ax 1 plus b1. Okay, so yeah, see this kind of linear equations. Okay, so if you go to the chapter, you will easily know what is it there. So a pair of linear equations of two variable. This is the thing I have provided you. Graphical methods. Just go through it once. Algebraic methods for solving a pair of linear equations. Substitution method. These are important. Substitution method and method. There are three methods mentioned here. So substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication. There is equation number 1. There is equation number 2. How to solve this equation to evaluate x and y. So yeah, these are the 3 things that you have to know. These are simply techniques or methods to solve pair of linear equations. Equations are reducible to a pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So what is the equations are reducible to pair of linear equations? Uh, yeah, these are the reducible terms of linear equations. Nothing much that. Quadratic equation, we all know that. Solution of quadratic equation, very easy things. Solution of quadratic equation by completing the square, implementation of roots. These are easy things. Okay, so we read that already. Introduction of arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Terms like a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay, where d is the common difference, where d is the common difference, so on so on, going like that. Nth term of AP, you have to know the nth term of any arithmetic progression. Okay, so first term of arithmetic progression, there is the a is the first term of the arithmetic, and again the sum of the first term of n terms, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot plus n. What is that? N whole n plus 1 divided by 2. This kind of things, arithmetic powers. Triangles, this is important thing. Triangles, similar figures, congruent figures, similarity of triangles, criteria of similarity of triangle, like uh, ASA, angle, side angle, a a side angle, side, congruent rings. Okay, so these are the congruents. Then Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. Okay, coordinate geometry. What is the coordinate geometry? Same like they will give you 4 coordinates. Okay, one coordinate is missing, so they will provide full coordinates. They will x equal to 3, and they will give y equal to, they will ask you what is the y equal to. So it forms a rectangle, so they will ask you what is the value of y. So this kind of things can be asked in coordinate geometry, this type of question. So it's generally asked you. Okay, so distance formula, distance from roots, distance from any number to any number, section formula, area of triangle. These are the simple things. So yeah, trigonometry, trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities. Okay, so areas related to circles, perimeter and area of a circle. Perimeter and area of a circle is a. And what does perimeter? Area means the cover area, and the perimeter means uh, the value of it, distance the travel. Okay, the circle, the value of the distance of the travel, and areas of a sector and segment of a circle. Like this way. If okay, sorry, there is a circle, and you have to find out the area. This kind of thing, 90-degree segment. General things there. If you once go through, you will get to know surface area and volumes, surface area combination of solids. First term, what is first term? And first term is nothing but if we have a cone, just cut it out, and you will get first term. This way, this is the first term. First term of a cone. Yes, some application of trigonometries, high distance circles, tangent circles, construction is not that important. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and best wishes for your examination. I have thoroughly described the all syllabus and the topics that are important, and hope you will get to my video. And if any doubt is there, just let me know in the comment section so that I can improve my thing. And this just best wishes for you. examination. Keep watching my videos and keep supporting me. Thank you. Bye bye.